In today's competitive business environment, what you achieved matters, but how you articulate it matters even more. Generic verbs weaken powerful outcomes. Precise, high-impact action verbs position you as a strategic thinker, a decisive leader, and a results-driven professional. In this video, I'll walk you through a curated list of advanced business action verbs, carefully categorized by function, so you can elevate your resume, sharpen your LinkedIn profile, strengthen proposals, and communicate performance with authority. Strategy and leadership. Architected. Designed a foundational structure or strategy for a complex system or initiative. Catalyzed. Sparked rapid change, growth, or action within a team or process. Championed. Advocated for and drove the adoption of an idea, project, or cultural shift. Engineered. Constructed or planned skillfully to achieve a specific, often technical, outcome. Fortified. Strengthened defenses, processes, or market position against risks. Forged. Created something strong or lasting, e.g., a partnership, path, strategy, through effort. Galvanized. Stirred a team or organization into action, provided a motivational charge. Orchestrated. Coordinated diverse elements or people to achieve a harmonious, complex outcome. Pioneered. Was the first to develop or use a new method, area, or product. Spearheaded. Led an initiative from the front, taking primary responsibility for its launch and direction. Steered. Guided a project, team, or company through challenges toward a goal. Synthesized. Combine disparate ideas, data, or approaches into a coherent whole. Innovation and improvement. Automated. Replaced manual processes with technology to improve efficiency. Benchmarked. Measured against a standard or competitor to identify best practices. Conceptualized. Formed a concept or idea for a new product, service, or strategy. Iterated. Repeatedly refined a product, process, or idea based on feedback. Optimized. Made something as effective, perfect, or functional as possible. Overhauled. Completely examined and made extensive changes to improve. Piloted. Tested a new idea, product, or process on a small scale before full launch. Pivoted. Made a fundamental change in strategy, direction, or product focus. Re-engineered. Radically redesigned processes, especially to achieve dramatic improvements. Revolutionized. Change something radically or fundamentally. Streamlined. Simplified a process to make it more efficient and less complex. Transformed. Changed markedly in form, function, or nature. Financial and operational. Amortized. Gradually wrote off or reduced the cost of an asset. Amplified. Increased the effect, volume, or reach, e.g., ROI, brand presence. Capitalized on. Took advantage of an opportunity to gain a benefit. Consolidated. Combined multiple elements into a more effective or coherent whole, merged departments' functions. Diversified. Expanded into new areas, markets, products, investments to reduce risk. Leveraged. Used a resource or advantage to maximum effect. Maximized. Made as large or great as possible, e.g., profit, efficiency, value. Monetized. Generated revenue from a source that previously did not. Negotiated. Reached an agreement through discussion and compromise. Privatized. Transferred from public government to private control and operation. Secured. Obtained something valuable, funding, partnership, deal. Yielded. Produced or delivered a result, return, or profit. Communication and influence. Articulated. Expressed an idea or complex concept clearly and effectively. Aligned. Brought elements or people into proper coordination or agreement. Authored. Wrote or created a formal document, report, or proposal. Coalesced. Came together to form one whole, united people around an idea. Facilitated. Made a process or discussion easier without directing it. Liaised. Served as a link to assist communication between parties. Mediated. Intervened to resolve a dispute between parties. Presented. Showed or offered for viewing or consideration. Proposed. Put forward an idea or plan for consideration. Rectified. Corrected or made right an error or problem. Analysis and problem solving. Audited. Conducted an official, systematic review of accounts or processes. Deciphered. Succeeded in understanding, interpreting, or identifying something complex. Diagnosed. Identified the nature of a problem by examination. Forecasted. Predicted or estimated a future event or trend. Hypothesized. Put forward a theory or assumption as a starting point. Interpolated. Estimated values between known data points. Pinpointed. Identified precisely or with great accuracy. Quantified. Measured or expressed as a quantity or number. Triangulated. Used multiple methods or sources to validate findings. Validated. Checked or proved the accuracy or legitimacy of something. Implementation and execution. Administered. Managed the execution of duties, policies, or systems. Deployed. Brought resources into effective action, utilized. Executed. Carried out a plan, order, or course of action. Expedited. Made an action or process happen sooner or be accomplished more quickly. Fulfilled. Carried out a duty or order as required. Implemented. Put a decision, plan, or system into effect. Mobilized. Organized and encouraged people or resources to take action. Operationalized. Put a concept or strategy into practical operation. Procured. Obtain something, especially with care or effort. Strong professionals deliver results. Exceptional professionals communicate those results with precision. By replacing generic language with intentional, high-impact action verbs, you position yourself as strategic, credible, and senior in your thinking. The right words do not exaggerate your experience, they clarify it.